In this video, I'll be showing you how to get Facecam on Roblox mobile. As you can see, the Facecam on my game can be visible, and you can locate this. You can use this webcam anywhere on the screen. So now, how to enable this webcam? I'm gonna tell you in this video on mobile. So you don't need PC to enable this. You just have to, guys, before starting you have to make sure that you have subscribed to our channel, like the video, and let's start the video. So first of all, let me leave this game to enable the to get or to get this feature on Roblox mobile. So first of all, you have to tap on three dot and go to settings. In settings, we have to choose the privacy. In privacy, guys, we have to scroll down and you will find one option here, microphone input. So once you enable this option, the face cam and the mic will be enabled in the game itself, but you have to make sure that the game that you are playing must be supporting the microphone and the camera as a communication. So to confirm that, you can open any game in the Roblox to see if it supports the microphone or camera. To do that, you just need to open the game and scroll down and see in communication if it is supports microphone or camera. So please donate, suppose that, so you can check your web face cam in please donate. So to enable the camera, guys, to access the camera, you have to hold the app and go to app info, and in app info just go to permissions and make sure the it allow camera permission in the background. And so usually it's in the denied option, so you have to enable it and choose the allow app allow camera whenever it is used. So now you just need to open the game and start using the web face cam. To enable the face cam, just tap on the Roblox icon and tap on this face icon and the microphone. So now you can see that face cam is enabled, and once you enable the mic, now it starts syncing with your voice.